Kantagon, gadamig.
The rose you gave me, the night you said you love me. It's now a prince of yesterday. Guns are dead, gentle, tender kisses in the moonlight. The moon has faded is the night. I used to run for uninstall and bits of heaven. Your very kisses seem to light my heart on fire. But when the stars stop to twinkle, tender kisses and the moonlight, the tears of love, then it lost tasting. Now or forever, with a passion to remain in bed. My heart is filled with romance. That is all kadaver ko. Yes. For my love was never ended. Love me just as I love you. Thank you very much. I love you.
I love you too, tatay.
Happy birthday, Rosie.
Thank you.
Forte.